Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Just a Bull. I will be starting with new tutorial series on Modern C concurrency. So when I say Modern C, I mean C 14 and C 17 standards. You may be aware that prior to C 11 there was no multithreading support provided for C. With C 11 as a major release comes the beast. And indeed, a modern C++ is a beast. Alright, in this tutorial series, I will be covering boring but equally important a theoretical part where we'll be discussing more about what is thread, what is process, and what are the modern computer architectures. We'll look in detail about it. We'll see most of the preliminary things in this introduction. Then we'll see thread management, like how to create a thread object. The further we'll discuss about data sharing between threads, inter-thread communication as well as inter-process communications, lock-based and lock-free concurrent data structures. We'll see more about C++ memory model. Then we'll see how to create a thread pool in a deep dive into thread management section. And lastly, I'll be discussing more about what C++ 20 brings into the concurrent world. So there are additional features that C++ is bringing, such as atomic smart pointers, latches and barriers, transactions, etc. We'll discuss in detail about those features in detail. So I assume that you are aware of the journey, how it will be. Multithreading itself is a fairly advanced concept, but do not worry, I'll try to make your journey less bumpy. I expect you to have a basic C++ programming construct. I want you to understand what our C++ 11, 14 and 17 standards are. In terms of software requirements, you can choose any favorite IDE for that matter, which will indeed support a C++ 17 compatible compiler. There is a GCC, GNU GCC is there, CLang++ is there, or with a modern Visual Studio like Visual Studio 2019, it also supports C++ 17 bundle. So yeah, feel free to choose any of these compilers. We'll also look into Boost Thread library just in case to have understand the additional features. So yeah, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Thank you.